got our box of goodies here from our buddies over at Stainless Pros. We want to keep this thing relatively quiet at idle. With the supercharger, it wakes the hell up as soon as you get on it, so it's going to get loud and nasty and it's going to sound awesome, but we want to keep it down. So we got oval mufflers and resonators from Stainless Pros. A couple goodies as usual. They got their elbow bends, so they're already cut at a 90-degree elbow for you. They have 45s available. Super nice finish, nice and straight. Really just got to mix some straights and roll coal. Quick release V-band, always a plus. Signature sick dump. We got a very special surprise to where this is going to go. This is also already pre-made, so all you got to do is buy it and be sick. Saves you a little bit of fab time. And I would like to showcase a new product. Check it out. Stainless Pros finally has their own hangers. We've been using other brands and I've been on them trying to tell them, like, you guys need your own stuff because we want to just keep it all Stainless Pros. So here it is, pretty standard. This is the 3-inch version. They have all different sizes available. They got their nice signature green for their bushing and even this nice stainless hardware. Look at that. Got to give it to these guys. So new product release, check it out. Exhaust hangers from Stainless Pros and all the rest of the goodies. So let's get to it. Yeah, what you think? That shit is sick. It's that blang blang panky rang. All right, time for my favorite part. Don't forget, safety first. We got our op trail clear max. All right, guys, just wrapped up this stainless exhaust system for the C10. Let me show you what we got going on. We went full 3-inch on it. Already had some long tubes. Welded some V-bands on there for proper connection. We wanted this thing to be somewhat quiet, so we put the biggest mufflers and resonators that we could on there. These are the 18-inch resonators. And then we got the big oval mufflers on here, all from Stainless Bros. So we got some flex couplers on there. Again, made it with some V-bands, full custom X-pipe that we built. Got a theory about this. We'll tell you more about that later. But it's just kind of a design that I like. I think the longer the chamber the better it sounds. So we kicked it up, and then we got our new Stainless Bros hangers. They got their own deal now. Those worked out really good. Happy with those. And then, so this thing's making a bunch of power, got some cowl tracks on here. Now this actually moves around, so we wanted enough clearance, so we actually had to kick this exhaust up and around, and we wanted to go out the body with this. I think came out really good, but we did need to get a little sneaky with that. But I think overall it came out good, sounds really good. We're gonna get this thing started up, revved up, show you the rest. If you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, drop them down in the comments section below. We'll see you on the next one. Stay classy.